Welcome to my channel Mind Our Maths. In this video I am going to solve a Olympiad mathematics question. Here the question is, find the value of x 2 to the power of x minus 3 into 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 is equal to 36. There are four options. A is to B 5, C 3, D 1. Here 2 to the power of x minus 3 into 3 to the power of x minus 8 is equal to 36. Implies we can write here into 2 to the power x into 2 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x into 3 to the power minus 8 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. Here we know a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. With the help of this formula I applied here, implies 2 to the power x. I can write here 2 to the power minus 3. According to this formula, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. I write here 1 upon 2 to the power 3 3 to the power of 2x into 3 to the power of 8 is equal to, I break into two parts 6, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 to the power of 2. Here 2 to the power x into 1 upon 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2x to 1 upon 3 to the power of 8 is equal to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. Here AB to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. We are going to multiply 2 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 8 both sides. Implies 2 to the power of x into 1 upon 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2x into 1 upon 3 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 8 implies 2 to the power of 3. Here is stuck out, then 2 to the power of x into 3 to the power of 2x is equal to, here we can write here 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 8, implies 2 to the power of x into 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x. I break it into two parts. Here 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. I can write here with the 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 and 3 to the power of 2 plus 3. Implies 2 into 3 into 3 to all to the power of x. Here 2 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 10. Two into 3 into 3 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. I break 10 into two parts. 3 2 to the power of 5, 3 2 to the power of 5. 2 into 3 into 3 to the power of x is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 to the power of 5. Thus, I compare both sides. Base is equal, so 2 into 3 into 3 to the power of x is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 to the power of 5. So x is equal to 5. So then the B answer is correct. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.